Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the main ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be avocado seeds. So for this DIY, you're going to need 4 small avocado seeds. If you have the larger avocados, then all you need is 2 seeds. So I already have 2 avocado seeds prepped, and I'm just going to show you how I prep the other 2 avocado seeds. So first, you want to just split the avocado in half, and then you just want to remove the seed from the center. So I'm just going to be putting the avocado to the side because I'll be using the avocado for something else. So once you get the seed out of the avocado, there is this brown skin that's over the avocado seed, and you just want to make sure that you remove that skin off of the seed. So after you remove the skin off of the avocado seed, then you just want to split it in half. When it comes to avocado seeds, they are a natural source of biotin and B vitamins that help healthy hair growth for stronger, thicker hair. Avocado seed is loaded with potassium and amino acid, revitalizing and deep conditioning coarse to dry hair. Also, avocado seeds help to support the scalp's natural barrier, which helps maintain its natural balance and prevent inflammation. So the next step to this DIY is to place 3 cups of water into a pot and have it come to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, then you want to place the avocado seeds into the pot and allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, then you just want to turn off the stove and allow the tea rinse to cool down. Once it's cooled down, you should see the water turn into a brownish reddish color. So once the tea rinse has cooled down, you just want to place it into a spray bottle for easier application. When it comes to the application of this DIY, you can use it as a tea rinse or you can use it as a leave-in. If you choose to use it as a tea rinse, then you just want to spray it on your hair from root to ends after you shampooed your hair, and then let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you want to rinse it out with warm water, and then you follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. If you use it as a leave-in, then you can use it on wet or dry hair. You can use it 1 to 2 times a week, and then you just want to follow up with your favorite moisturizing cream or butter. So if you have any tea rinse left, you can place it into a mason jar or you can place it into a container, and then you want to put it in the refrigerator and it will last 3 to 4 weeks. Or if you have any ice trays, you can also put the tea rinse into the ice trays, and the day before you need to use the tea rinse, you could just pop out a few ice cubes and then allow it to melt, so that way you'll already have it ready for the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.